Another day, another safety tips. What is line of fire? In the context of safety, the term line of fire refers to the path or trajectory that an object, substance, or energy can travel, potentially causing harm or injury to a person. It is the area where a person could be struck, impacted, caught, or exposed to hazardous conditions. The concept of the line of fire is often used in workplace safety to identify and mitigate potential hazards. By understanding the line of fire, employers and workers can take appropriate measures to prevent accidents and injuries. Falling objects. If there is an overhead work area where objects can fall, the line of fire would be the area directly below where the object could potentially land. Workers in that area would be at risk of being struck and injured. Machinery. When operating machinery, the line of fire refers to the path where moving parts, such as blades or mechanical arms, could cause injury. Workers should be cautious and avoid placing any body parts or objects in the line of fire. Energy release. The line of fire can also apply to the release of energy, such as in an explosion or burst pipe. The line of fire would be the area in the direction of the energy release, where workers could be hit by debris or exposed to harmful substances. Protect yourself from the line of fire hazard. Safety is a top priority and we can never know when an accident could occur, hence why we need to protect ourselves, especially when working with dangerous equipment. Below are safety tips to protect yourself when you're in the line of fire. Always be aware of your surroundings and identify potential hazards. Wear the proper personal protective equipment, PPE, which may include gloves, safety glasses, and hearing protection. Stay alert and follow all safety procedures. Attend necessary training when using heavy machinery. If you see a potential hazard, report it to a supervisor/manager immediately. Provide daily safety inspections on equipment to avoid sudden mechanical failures. If you are ever in doubt about a situation, ask a supervisor or manager for clarification. Identifying the line of fire is an essential step in assessing and managing workplace hazards. By implementing appropriate safety measures, such as barriers, warning signs, personal protective equipment, or modifying work processes, the risk of accidents and injuries can be minimized. Thanks for watching.